Rising costs continue to force landscape contractors and other professionals to find ways to save money without sacrificing their ability to produce professional-looking lawns and grounds. Spending less money on oil by safely using a leaner mix ratio is one way to cut costs. For this strategy to work, the oil must be capable of protecting modern, hot-running two-stroke equipment from the negative effects of heat, including wear and power-robbing exhaust port and spark arrestor screen deposits. Otherwise, equipment operability suffers and replacement costs increase. SABER Professional Synthetic Two-Stroke Oil. The one oil that covers all mix ratios. SABER Professional eliminates the problems that plague handheld two-stroke equipment using other oils, including hard starting, rough running, power loss and shortened service life. We tested SABER Professional at a 100:1 mix ratio compared to other two-stroke oils at 50:1, and the results are clear. SABER Professional dominated the competition in every area of performance. Even when using half as much oil, SABER Professional does a better job fighting carbon deposits that rob engines of power and reduce their service life. It helps landscapers, contractors and other professionals work more efficiently and cut costs. Improves engine operation in life. SABER Professional's high-quality synthetic base oils burn more cleanly than other synthetic and conventional base oils. It eliminates carbon deposits that lead to stuck piston rings, clogged exhaust ports and plugged spark arrestor screens. Following 300 hours of professional use testing in Echo string trimmers, SABER Professional mixed at 100:1 resisted carbon better than Echo Power Blend Extended Life Universal 2-Stroke Oil mixed at 50:1. Mixing SABER Professional at 100:1 cuts oil costs by 50% or more while still providing outstanding protection and performance. It allows professionals the best of both worlds, reduced costs and increased protection. Smokeless operation. SABER Professional passes the industry standard smoke test at the standard rich mix ratio. When mixed at the SABER ratio, smoke is virtually undetectable. Equipment operators subjected to smoke and fumes benefit from these low emission properties. Key benefits of SABER Professional Synthetic Two-Stroke Oil include excellent lubricity and cleanliness, controls friction and helps prevent wear, plug fouling, ring sticking and exhaust port blocking, smokeless, delivers less emissions at 100:1, stabilizes fuel during storage, delivers outstanding protection and performance at lean mix ratios. Get yours today. To order, follow the link in the description, or go to OILPROTECH.com and click on the Shop Now link. Thanks, have a great day.